Hi guys, it's Marissa from Little House Living. So today I just wanted to make a really quick video and show you what we got from Azure this month. We've been ordering from them for at least 15 years now, probably longer than that. And we get not all of our groceries from Azure, but a large portion of them, especially the bulk goods and a lot of pantry staples and dry goods. So I just want to show you what we got and what we're going to do with it, and I hope that helps you if you're considering ordering from Azure, or if it's something you already order from but just need some ideas of what you can get from there. Alright, I am going to show you guys what I got from Azure this month. This month was a little bit bigger order for me because there were some cases of stuff that I needed. So I'm going to show you a couple things, and first so that I can put them away in the freezer, and then I haven't even gone through the boxes yet, so we will do that together. So first thing I'm going to show you, because I need to put it away, is I got a case of ice cream. I can't eat dairy, so this is my treat, and this will last me quite a while. Also frozen, I have one child that really wanted to try some venison, so we picked up just 1 pound of this breakfast sausage. We're going to try it on our breakfast sandwiches, hoping that I can stretch that into 2 meals, but we'll see. And then I got a case of ground chicken, which is also frozen. I've been looking everywhere for a clean ground chicken because I want to make some breakfast sausage links and couldn't find any, so I ended up getting a case of this from Azure, which I think is 8 pounds. So I'm gonna go put this away in the freezer, and then I will show you the rest of it. Okay, while we're out here in our very dirty mudroom putting away the stuff in the freezer, I was going to show you the stuff that I didn't bring into the house. These apples are going to go in the root cellar, so I didn't bring them in, but I did order a 40-pound case of the Honeycrisp. We got these last time, and we did go through the whole box in 1 month. We eat a lot of apples, but they're really big and they were really nice with good flavor, so I went ahead and ordered another box this time for us. Like I said, we'll go stick these out in the root cellar. And then this is not from Azure, but this is where I get my flour from, and we actually get it from a local place here in town. An Amish store sells it, but I love this flour, and it works super good for all my baked goods, and especially for my sourdough. And so I went ahead and had my husband get 2 50-pound bags this time, because I do end up going through about 25 to 30 pounds of flour in a month, so that will last us the next couple months, and we won't have to go down and get any. All right, let's go back to the table for the other stuff. So I had all this stuff still nice and in the boxes that it came in, and I did a whole video and showed you everything, and went back and looked at it, and I filmed it all in slow motion. So we're gonna do this again, but that's why my stuff is all out. And I'll just show you this first. So this happens sometimes with Azure, especially with the produce. It seems like we struggle with that a little bit, and we have had it happen before, but the cucumbers that I ordered are all moldy, and it looks like they also froze. So what I'll do is I will take a picture of these. Actually, I already did, and I'll take a picture of this and I will email it to Azure's customer service and ask for a credit on my account for this amount, including the shipping. And they're usually pretty good and get back to you within about 24 hours. I highly recommend emailing them instead of calling. They are not great with the phone customer service, and you will wait a very long time if you call. So just send an email with a picture if you ever have anything wrong, and they should give you credit on your account for something like this. So unfortunately, we will not be having cucumbers for the rest of this month, but at least we can get credit on our next order. All right, I needed some more shortening, so I ordered one of these little tubs. I think these are like 4 pounds. I use this whenever a recipe calls for shortening. Occasionally I use it in place of butter in some recipes just because it's a little bit cheaper. But we were almost out of that, so I grabbed a tub. We're just trying these wool socks. These are actually for my husband. He goes through socks really quickly and didn't love the size. The sizing of I think it's the Darn Tough Vermont socks. So these are the Maggie's organic socks, and these are wool. So he was going to give these a try. So we just ordered one pair this time to see if he likes them or not. Azure always includes a sale flyer so you can see what's for next month. My child that loves chocolate added this to my cart because apparently we needed some chocolate sauce. I'm not sure what his plan is with that, but it wasn't too expensive. So I said that that was okay, although I really should have made this, but it's okay. So we were almost out of maple syrup, so I went ahead and got a gallon. We like this. I think this is the dark maple syrup. They might have different grades. I'm not sure, but we've ordered this one before, and I just pour it into smaller containers so it's easier for the kids to pour. But it's not a bad price when you buy it by the gallon like that. All right, I needed some more buckets for some of my bulk things. I've got some arrowroot and some grains that I've been sprouting for the ducks that needed some buckets. So I went ahead and ordered some more buckets. We've always gotten our buckets at Menards, but we compared the price this time of the buckets and the gamma lids, and they're about the same price now from Azure. So we just went and ordered them since our nearest Menards is about 2 hours away. But yeah, I got a pack of buckets and these gamma lids, and I use these for all of my bulk, my really large stuff. I'll show you one in the pantry here. So this is a gamma lid, and it just twists off like this. And I store my bulk goods in that, flour, rice, anything like that. I keep in those buckets. So we needed a few more, and now we have them. So that will be good. I did order a case of these sliced black olives. I get probably a case, a little bit less than every 6 months. These are really big cases. I think there's 24 things in them, but we use these for pizzas and for tacos. We use quite a bit of those. All right, something that was new to me that I've seen other people order was I ordered some of these Azure glass canning jars, and we actually ordered these to use as drinking glasses because we just have plastic ones right now and would really like to switch over to glass. So we're gonna do that. These are the 1.5 pint size, which I don't know if anyone else makes those, but it's kind of cool size. And then when you buy them by the case like this, you can either buy them with the lids and rims, or you can buy them without. Obviously I didn't need those because we're just gonna use these for drinking glasses, but just so you know, if you go to order them, I might have to get some more of these though for canning in this summer because they're just kind of pretty. So that's that. I did get a 5-gallon box of dish soap this time. We were all out of dish soap, and it's really hard to find a clean, fragrance-free dish soap that you can, that's also plant safe, because we do use our gray water. So anyway, this I think comes with a little spigot here, which will make it easy for the kids to fill up the little pump container that we keep by the sink for dish soap. All right, then my box. So this is the kind of cheese that I've been getting. It comes in a 5-ish pound block. We got this for the first time last time. I don't know if it's new or if I've just never seen it before. It's not organic, but it is by a company that makes organic cheese. So anyway, we really liked it last time. It's a little bit crumbly, but it doesn't matter because we shred it anyway. So what I'll do is I'll shred this whole block and put it in the freezer. And last time we went through the whole 5-pound block in a month. So we'll see. Actually, I think it's probably been about 6 weeks since we've gotten our last Azure because it was a little bit longer this time, but it's gone and we're out of cheese. So it'll be good to have that. I ordered a 5-pound bag of chocolate chips. I have not ordered the chocolate chips from Azure before. They're quite expensive. I think chocolate chips are just pretty expensive right now, but I was trying to find some clean chocolate chips that didn't have soy in them, and these are about the only ones that I could find. So we don't go through a ton of chocolate chips because I have a child that doesn't like chocolate, so I don't end up adding them to things super often or everything that we have. But this will be good to fill up my jar, and that will probably last us quite some time. For some reason, I was all out of dill, or we couldn't find the dill that I had bought. So this is a pound of just dried dill. I use that quite a bit, especially to make homemade ranch dressing and ranch dip. And I like this on roasted carrots too, actually. It's really good. So I got some of that. I got the borax. I think this is new for Azure. I got this because I had seen something where you can use this and also do a vinegar bath, and it's supposed to take the smell out of like thrift store clothes. And so I'm actually going to give that a try because I have a couple of things that I have trouble wearing because they have a really strong smell in them still. So that's what I got that for. And then this sour cream is for me. It's dairy free since I can't have dairy. And this is good for until April. So it's good for several months. I just got the 3-pack. And so that'll I probably go through about one of these in a month for when we have tacos and stuff like that. So I'm stocked up on that for a while. And then this butter we've never ordered before either, but we were all out of butter and I was hoping for something a little bit better. So we're gonna give this a try. I think this came out to be about $5 a pound, which is better. We just can't afford organic butter. It's like $10 a pound, and this is just not in our budget. This was really stretching it even. But it is a little bit cheaper if you buy it by the case. But I wasn't quite ready to commit to that much yet until we gave it a try. So I bought the 6-pack of this. I'll stick this in the freezer and we'll see if we like it. And if we do, we'll go ahead and order more another time. But that is everything that I got from Azure this month. I just wanted to add on to this video really quick and say thank you to Susan. We just got this, we only hit the mail about once a week or less, but we just got this package in the mail that Susan, one of the readers, bought the kids some socks. And so these are, we had these on a wish list that we had made, and these are some wool socks that the kids really like. Here's a example of them. They're really soft. And so they're super excited to have these, and we're very thankful to Susan for sending these to us. So I just wanted to make a little quick video to add on to this one and say thank you.